right, line of sight, another line of sight issue. Robert, how you doing? Another line of sight. We got a pedestrian. Okay, lots of craziness happening. Whoa, whoa, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Woo! You need to slow down, dude. Slow down. There's a hazard in the road you had to go around. Was that a shoe? All right, so line of sight problems here. Line of sight problems here. All right, so we got a car here. Now, what is our main intention? We want to get to the front. We want to go and have a fun time. Okay, we got pedestrian here. This is an intersection. You should be in orange stage. Intersections aren't the place to gain time. Intersections are the place to be prepped and ready for a hazardous situation or a threatening situation. On the long straightaways where all the factors are pretty much removed outside of merging problems, go ahead if you want. It's up to you, but don't do it in an intersection. This isn't where you gain time. So we want a lane filter, right? It's kind of what he wants to do. He wants the lane filter. You got two massive trucks right here. So kind of pick your timing a little bit better. Don't just say, I'm going to go and maintain my speed, and then people have to adapt to what I'm doing. No, 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 no. You're the bottom of the totem pole. You're the bottom of the rung, baby. You need to adapt to everyone else. And these big boys, law of gross tonnage, you're not going to damage nothing compared to these people. They're going to completely demolish you. So be very careful with that. So he wants the lane filter, or he wants to make a choice, couldn't make a choice, starts applying some brake pressure, starts messing him up a little bit. Look at that. Last second, kind of had to swerve out of the way, but you know what? He braked and swerved, did it, right? Found an escape path. That's perfectly fine. Now look at the escape path we have. So I understand he put himself in this situation. You don't want to do that. You know, the more close calls you have, the greater chance of a crash. But the thing is, if you are ever accidentally in this situation, just understand this is all you need. So don't think, well, I have to stop or I have to have a full lane on either side in order to swerve. No, you can slow down and you could take this little lane filtering position if you had to. It's very scary still, but it's very important to practice that. How do you practice that? Go in a parking lot, swerve, but only swerve into like small sections instead of going swerve and just calling it a day. Swerve, but then make sure you swerve into 3 feet worth of cones separation. So, oh crap, that was scary. Why'd you do that? Whatever. I'm embarrassed a little bit. And that looks like a shoe. So we got another roadway hazard right there. Adapted the hazard. Plan your route. Position yourself for safety. Didn't happen here. But located a hazard, adapted real quick, and he negotiated this threat a little bit earlier. But don't do this in the first place, please. Do not do this in the first place. Just kind of wait. Watch out. It's going to be green, if not already green. There it is. It goes green. Just don't put yourself in these situations.